Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to move money into Robinhood. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Funding your account is one of the first steps to getting started with investing, and Robinhood makes the process straightforward. Whether you are adding money for the first time or making an additional deposit, the steps are simple and can be completed directly within the app. To begin, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the Buying Power section. If your account is new, your buying power may show a balance of $0. From there, tap the Deposit Funds option to open the transfer screen where you can move money from your linked bank account into Robinhood. On the deposit screen, confirm that the correct bank account is selected. If you have multiple accounts linked to Robinhood, you can choose the one you want to use as the funding source. Once you have selected the appropriate account, enter the amount you would like to transfer into your Robinhood account. After entering the amount, tap Review to continue. The review page allows you to double-check all of the transfer details before submitting your request. Robinhood also offers the option to create recurring deposits if you would like to automatically add funds to your account on a regular basis. If you only want to make a single deposit, leave the transfer set as a one-time transaction. Once everything looks correct, submit the transfer. After the transfer request has been submitted, Robinhood will display a confirmation message indicating that the deposit has been initiated. Although bank transfers may take some time to fully process, eligible users may receive access to instant deposits, allowing them to begin investing before the transfer officially settles. To prevent any issues, make sure the funds are available in your bank account before initiating the transfer. Once the deposit is processed, your buying power will increase and the money will be available for investing within your Robinhood account. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.